Here's EPA AIRNOW app from official USA Environmental Protection Agency, and this is one of the top apps to check the air quality at your location. You know, right now there are a lot of smokes in New York, for example, because of like fires in Canada. So yeah, you can just enter the city, something like that, and then you can see that it's like where current air quality very unhealthy. You can see some daily forecast, then you can just see details, so primary pollutant, fine particles, step to take. So yeah, here you can see some recommendations and some other things. So yeah, and then you can just also see the daily forecast. And then that's basically the idea. Also here in this app, you can explore the map. So you can see where it's actually not that good. You can see how it's getting populated, and then you can just browse around. So yeah, that's basically the idea. So try out this app.